Today we're going to show you how to bleach and tone this dark hair. To bleach the hair we're going to use Brilliant Blondex, which is a new bleach from Ugly Duckling. It's got Bond Protect in it, so it's very gentle with the hair while it lifts. We make a mixed ratio of 1 part bleach to 2 parts developer. We're using 20 volume developer, and as you can see it produces a very nice white creamy oily mixture, and that's exactly what you need. It's going to be gentle, but it's going to lift, and you put it straight on to the foiled hair. Now people often ask us, how long should we leave the bleach in the hair? And the answer is there's no fixed rule. You've got to check and watch as it lifts from orange to yellow to pale yellow, and pale yellow is really the minimum that you need if you want to get it nice and blonde. One thing that's really important, when you bleach hair, remember to really put a lot of product on the hair. Saturate the hair like you see in this video. So this is the color it looks like on the ends. Level 9, pale yellow. For the root area we're going to use 5N, and that's going to give us our shadow root. And for the ends we're going to use 9.23 and 10.21, our silver blonde toner, which is now called 10B. And here's the final result. You can see we've got a very beautiful cold blonde color on the lengths, and at the same time we've got a lovely dark shadow root area. And you can easily produce looks like this in your salon. The key thing is to bleach really well, as you saw. And then for the toners, we've got a big choice of toners: pearl, silver, a lot of colors that you can use, play around with, and get beautiful cold ash blonde results. Enjoy!